નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in supplementary lesson number 3, Midnight Visitor. We are moving ahead from page number 15. Max was slender, so thin. भागू हो तो हेवी बॉडी हो तो काम ना आवे. So thin, a little less than tall. If he is having so long height, we'll call it him a tall, little less in tall height, with features that suggested slightly the crafty, pointed countenance of a fox. The word is written here that explains facial expression. Something I will not speak, and yet you will come to know through my facial expressions. For that purpose, this phrase is used. With his outer appearance, we can feel, we can guess, we can judge that he is midnight visitor who comes for robbery. Aside from the gun, keep this gun aloof, and then if you think outer facade of Max, you will come to know this. Nothing especially menacing, fearful. He murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. Give it to me, because after decades, people will remember this, and these reports are memorable in history. Give it to me. Give it to me speedily. I thought I would take it from you. Give it to me now. It will be safer in my hands than in yours. That will be safer in my hands. Give it to me. Bunch ke rakh dunga. Give it to me now. Osman moved to an armchair. You see here on page number 17, the same picture is given over there. How Osman is Nana Ocean, Demon Ocean. This is not the qualification, body gestures of a secret agent, but Osman is. And sat down heavily. I'm going to raise the devil with the management this time, and you can bet on it. He said gleefully, this is the second time in the month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of balcony. ત્યાંથી જ સલાહ કોઈ ને કોઈ મિડનાઇટમાં આવે છે. વિન્ડો છે, એની બહાર એક બાલ્કની છે. કોઈ માણસ શું કરે, બાલ્કની ઉપર આવે, છુપાઈ જાય, પછી જેવો હું અંદરથી દરવાજો બંધ કરું એમ બાલ્કનીથી વિન્ડોથી ઇનસાઇડ ધ રૂમ આવી મારી પાસેથી લાવો પૈસા. This happened twice in this month. જો આ બધી વસ્તુ યાદ રાખજો એટલા માટે કે this is the preface, this is the introduction for a huge action. આ બધી જ વસ્તુ જે છે રેડીમેડ પ્રિપેર કરીને આપે છે સ્પૂન ફીડિંગ માટે. And what is that spoon feeding? That is the end of the story. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window. હવે આમાં શું છે? આ તો ઓર્ડિનરી વિન્ડો છે. આમાં સમથિંગ સ્પેશિયલ તો કઈ છે. હવે આમાં વિન્ડોની વાત કરીએ, આમાં વિન્ડોમાં બાલ્કની ક્યાં જોવે છે. ફાઉલર ઇઝ સ્ટેરિંગ ટુવર્ડ્સ ધ વિન્ડો. આમાં ક્યાં કઈ ફાંકા મારે છે સાલો. But you see what he is going to perform, that is something different, something special. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly, looking so dark. બારીની બહાર છો શું દેખાય? અંધારું છે, જોઈ લેજે. And yet he is staring towards the window. હવે આ બધી મોટી મોટી વાતો કરે છે. What is there in window? Nothing is there ભાઈ. છોડને હવે વાત યાર આવું આવ્યો છે ડન. ભૂંજ કે રખ દઉંગા. કરવાનું એ તો કે he is not with any hesitation. He is with cool mind. જો સાવ શાંતિથી આર્મ ચેરની અંદર બેસી ગયો. Nothing is there. તમારે જે કરવાનું થતું એ કરો, મારે કાંઈ કરવાનું થતું જ નથી. શાંતિથી બેઠો છે. This happened twice. This is the second incident. Max say, balcony? Huh? Balcony is that out of this window? Oh, with a rising inflection. No. A pass key is there. A common way is there. Pass key. A common way. Where mostly all are used to walk. That is a pass key. Pass key for all those who want to be there. This is a common passage where you also can walk, where I also can walk. I did not know about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I known. સારું થયું કહી દીધું મને. If I will face any time, this balcony can save me. Naturally, what you told, that is confirmed, yeah. That is good for me. Really good for me. Who told it? Max. Max too. Possible. Discussion is not at all required. Papers are required because history will keep this in mind. This is much more important. Not at all required. What is required now? Papers, balcony and window. Attention is little bit shifted from here to there. This is the work of Asana. It is not my balcony. Attention is shifted and now the attention is concentrated only on window and balcony. It's not my balcony, Asabal said with extreme irritation, anger. It belongs to the next apartment. Salimani નથી. બાજુનું એપાર્ટમેન્ટ છે ને મારે હું ને મારે કરવાનું. Attention is shifted, then concentration is also shifted. He glanced explanatory while giving explanation. At Fowler, you see, he said, now he is not talking with Max, he is talking with Fowler. Oswald is talking with Fowler in presence of Max, but his attention is not towards Max. This room used to be part of a large unit, and the next room, through that door, there used to be living room. એક મોટો જબરજસ્ત હતો એની અંદર બાજુનો રૂમ પાર્ટ. This is a part of a large room. Actually, a partition કરેલું છે. દિવાલ જે છે શું છે? Nothing else. And બાલ્કની જે છે એ વિન્ડોની, that's not of our. તો સામેના એપાર્ટમેન્ટ વાળાની છે, પણ એને અહીંયા થોડી રખાય. You see, the idea is already changed from important papers to balcony. It had the balcony here, which extends under my window now. અને હવે કન્ડિશન શું થઈ, આ વિન્ડો સુધી એક્સટેન્ડ કરી છે. ધીસ ઇઝ નોટ ધ વે યાર. આપણા ઘરની અંદર કોઈની બાલ્કની આવતી હોય કંઈ સારું લાગે? ન લાગે. એન્ડ વી શુડ નોટ હેવ ધેટ. You can get onto it, jump on it, get into, stand over there. From the empty room, 2 doors down, and somebody did it last month. And પહેલા મહિને જે આવ્યો he did the same thing, and he reached till the second floor. તો શું થાય? This is not the way yaar. Somebody did it last month. The management promised to block it off, but they have not. Management told me they will block it. બાલ્કની આપણા ઘરમાં તો રોજ આપણા ઘરમાં કોઈક ને કોઈક આવી જાય તો કરવાનું શું? Management told, yes, they will block it, but up till now they have not done it. Hence it is proved that somewhere else something is missing. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing severely in front of him. Not far from the Ausable, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Please sit down. Like, best. He said, we have a wait of half an hour, I think. અડધી કલાકથી તમારી રાહ જોતા હતા. જેવા તમે આવો એ ભેગા ગૂંજ કર દૂંગા. પેપર્સ લાવો. Since last 30 minutes we are waiting for you. Now, Ausable said moodily. Joke. 31 minutes now. The appointment was for 12:30 and I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. મને ખબર છે તને ક્યાંથી આ બધી વસ્તુની ખબર પડી. Max. The little spy smiled evilly, wickedly. Little spy, possibly. Because he was little less from that all. And this one is fat and short. And we wish we knew how your people got the report, but no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Hey, who is at the door? कौन से यहाँ? बोलो मत, क्यों मत जल्दी बोल. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Ausable just smiled. ये तो बच्चा दे दी. This is the knocking of the door. Okay. This is important documents. It means police. Police reached over here. Confirmed. That will be the police, he said. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. આ extra protection માટે જ પોલીસ છે, એમને એમ નથી. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right or not. Important paper હોય તો security should be there, and for that security police has come now. Max bit his lip nervously. Why nervously? जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई. पुलिस reached here now. હવે શું કરશું? ભાગો, ભાગને દો. Max bit his lips nervously. The knocking was repeated. Knocking. What will you do now, Max? Oswald asked. If I don't answer the door, they will enter anyway. જો હું ખોલીશ નહીં ને તો જોરથી પાટું મારીને દરવાજો પાડી દે છે. અને પછી આપણે ઓલી સિરિયલમાં જોઈએ છે ને એમ જ કરે છે. જોરથી પગ મારીને પાટું મારીને કિક મારીને દરવાજો પાડી દે પછી એન્ટર થાય. ખોલ દરવાજા. Enter anywhere, the door is unlocked in this way. And they will not hesitate to shoot you. Police will not hesitate to shoot you, Max. Now what will you do, Max? Oswald is asking to Max, please move, run away, go move fast. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. You see here in the picture also, you will see the same thing. He moves little bit back towards the window. હવે એક જ વિન્ડો છે, કઈ વાંધો નહીં, વિન્ડોમાંથી તમે ધક્કો મારી દો, you will be where? On the balcony. પછી यहाँ तो safe છો. Police will not come there. Police will enter in the room only. He swung a leg over the sill. The word is written here. Sill. Sill is equal to threshold. Threshold એટલે શું? વિન્ડો, બારી જે છે એમાં પાળી છે, એ પાળીની બહાર તમે જતા રહ્યો તો જે પાળી છે that is known as ઉંબરો. થ્રેશોલ્ડ, શિલ્ડ બે કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ આવી કન્ડિશન છે, રૂમથી બહાર જાઓ, હાઉસમાં, હાઉસથી અંદર આવો રૂમમાં, ત્યાં પણ એક સીલ છે, that is also known as ઉંબરો. He swung a lamp over the seal, sent them away. He warned, I will wait on the balcony. What you told here, balcony is there. I will wait for you over there. Send them away, or I will shoot and take my chances. पकड़ लिया तो छोड़ दे नहीं. The knocking at the door became louder, and a voice was raised. Mr. Oswald, Mr. Oswald, Mr. Oswald. Voice is increasing severely, keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man, and he is gasped. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. પોતાની જાતને સપોર્ટ તો કરવો પડે ને, તો શું કરવું પડે? ગનને રાખી બે હાથથી બોડી લટકાવવું પડે, પછી હળવેથી બાલ્કની ઉપર ધૂપકો મારવો પડે, સીધો તો એમને તો શું કરવું પડે? This is the way. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. Threshold હવે જે છે બહાર જઈ શકશે. The doorknob turned. Swiftly Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill. ડાબો હાથ છોડી દીધો એટલે સિલમાંથી ફ્રી થઈ ગયો અને સીધો બાલ્કનીમાં જતો રહ્યો. And dropped to balcony, and then as he dropped, he screamed once, oh, I'm Adi. Oh, Papa. Shrilly, severely, once only, over. The door opened, and the waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and 2 glasses. Pani lene ayo to kon? Waiter. No police? No. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned back from outside to inside. He said, and set the tray on the table, daftly uncrooked the bottle and left the room. खोल इन पैकेट, okay, pull. White-faced Power stared after him, but he stammered, the police? No police. There were no police. Oswald sighed. Ash. Pivani trash. Only Henry, whom I was expecting to come inside, waiter. But warned that man out on the balcony, Fowler began to ask him, "It pacho nahi aave? Balcony thi inside the room?" Oswald said, "No, he will not come back." He won't return back. You see, My young friend, he will not come back. Why is it so? Because there is no balcony. Gyo, સીધો નીચે, ચોથા માળથી સીધો નીચે. In this way, Oswald saved himself and Fowler worked together against Max. We have completed this lesson. If you want to write anything else, you can write down here so that it can be helpful to you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.